Welcome. All right. So today we're going to be focusing on um, starting with smaller size. So making sure we're getting green on a symbol before we start to up the size, and then also not adding um, on high a day breaks, but rather taking profit. We have 1 minute till open. These are the 4 stocks we're watching. They're in my level 2s. Just marking out some levels on my TD Ameritrade charts for market opens here in 20 seconds. There it goes, 74. That just rips through pre-market highs right there. '75, '70, '80. There's '80, '85. Good. '90. Let's see it not retrace the whole move. We want to see it keep up here, so we can add on the opening range breakout. Watching 91. And they're 87. Watch 91. This could pull back here to 70. '77. Watch 4, break of 4. There it goes, 410 out of 410. Watching now 420. Oh my god, it's at 430 already. 440. 48. Watch 50. There's 59. Watch the halt. Out half. Out the rest there. See if we can get a dip here. False halt. Dipping down in at 41. There's 60 on the ask. Out at 45. Playing it safe here. Watch the dip. Watching the dip here to 420. Can we dip below 430 and 420? There's 20, 26. Lots of sellers. Breaking 26. There's 22. And there 37 for the break of 40. There's 41 on the ask. $45. Out at 50 there. There's break of 50. Will it hold 50? Buyer at 48. Pushing down here. Previous low is 22. Watching ear on a side chart. Pivot is 65, so we're watching 65. Seller at 7, 457. Hit a low of 15 on BWV. Seller at 57 on ear. And they're at 40. BWV. Watch 45 and 50. High of 47 on this candle. Added at 48. Watching 50 here. There's 44, 45. It's 46. So watching 43, 48. Add at 48, watch 50. Watch break at 50. Orders at 54. No fill. So you can get back over 50. Got filled at 53. Good. Sellers at 40. Gonna size down on BWV. Intent shares at 70 on ear. High is 73. Buyers at 70. Can they hold 70? There they go. 72, 73, 4. Sellers at 74. There's 78. Can we accelerate through 80? I'll look to add 78 for the break of 80. Here's 78. Watch 80. Out at 83. Very nice. At 85. Needs to pull back a second here. So we just broke pre-market highs on ear. Let me pull up ear share. APRN here. Adding at 80, saw a huge bid at 78. There's 90. Seller at 90. See if we can break 90. Added at 90. Notch 91. 92. There's 91. Got some filled at 90. 91. Just could dip here. There's 90. $89, $90. Does it break 92 here? Probably gonna dip a little. Oh, big buyer there. Added at 92. Watch 93, 94. Out at 93. It's not breaking up fast enough. There's a big seller at 80, at 94. So big buyers and big sellers on this one. It's pretty crowded. So big buyers at 88, big sellers at 94. 6 cents between those. There's 88. Might fail 88 here. There it goes. Watch dip down to 80. I buy the dip if it goes down to 80. There's 82. Low is 82 there. Watching 80, and then that be the EMA at 75, 76. So hit 91 there, or 81. In there, 89. Big buyer coming up at 87 or 86. There's 95. Out at 95. And in 97. Watching the break of 3. Sellers at 3 as expected. And we see those break of 3 at the sellers. Out at 85 is getting a little bit too low for my current position holding. Does it want to come back up to 3? BWV starting to curl up a little bit. There's the break of 3. I missed it. I was looking at other screen. False break. Adding at 305 for 310. There's 315 out at 310. Dip at 309, no fill. And at 307. Buyer stepping in at 305. 303. There's 6. Out at 306, taking a 10-cent loss. And at 302, seeing if it bottoms at 3. Low is 96 there. Looks like it's holding 3. 305 is the high, 307, 309, 10. 315 is the high. There's a seller at 316. High of the current candle's 310. So over 10, looking for the add. We'll add 20 shares, not 30. Waiting for 9, 10. Out at 301. Does it hold 3 here? Oh, there it goes. 3. Let's watch 290. Watching 20 shares at 310. Watching this for a scalp. Not looking for a long trade, looking for a couple second long trade. Buyers at 28 or at 98. Low of this candle's 93. Low is 93, so watch 93. If we dip below 90, we're probably going to come back down to 80. Watching 305. Small size, 10 shares. $94, $93. So we're making a bottom here at 93. And at BWV 412. Watching this for the move over 415 up to 435. To be a longer hold. Sellers at 413. Seller at 413. There's 15. Watching the break of 15. 18, 20. Now at 20, you want to see the break of 20. There's 25. A previous pivot is for 35, so we're watching 435. BWV, so you guys can see. This is where we bought. This is the previous pivot. There's 22, 25. Gonna look for an add at 430. And at 430, watching break of 432, 435. There's 435, there's 38, 40. Out half at 43. Watching now for the break of 50. There's 40, 46 is the high of this candle. There's 45. There's 42, 45, 46. Watch 46. There's 47. Added at 48 for the break of 50. Watch 50 break. 49, want to see green at 50. $37 on the ask. There's 40, 43. There's 45. Now watching break at 50. Green on the tape. Good. Watching 48, 49. Selling a quarter at 44, playing it safe. Watch 50. Order out to sell another quarter at 50. If it gets filled, we know we're going to break 50. Previous pivot from now on is 454. And then high a day. We'll replace this order with 40, 49, so that way we get filled as we get to 50. There we go, got filled at 49. Watching 50 here. Watching break at 50, there it goes, 55. Added at, or took off some position at 57. Now watching 60. There's 77. High of day is there. Break a high of day. There we go. Orders out at 95. Dip back down. Order out at 81. There we go. Got filled at 81. Not bad. It's getting a little whippy though. That's problematic. Size down to 10 shares. Watching for green on the tape. In at 82, watch 85, 90. Out at 90, 89. Now watching 5. Nope, didn't get filled. False break. So now watching 520. Kind of a false break though. False break of 5. So false break of 5. A little bit concerning. We're up 17 on the day. Not bad, not bad. And we've been doing that on small size, like 10 shares, 20 shares. We haven't even touched 30 or 50. Ooh, looks like BBY is halting up. In 2 shares, a BBY halt. When I'm buying at the halt level, I want to be using small size, just in case it does up and lower. So I bought 2 shares. It's nothing big, it's just an experiment here, kinda. $27.50. $27.50. APRN is also kind of doing that same curling pattern that that BBY just did. So watch 520 or 620, 630. And at 22 on APRN, does it hold 20 here? And then break over 20 or 630. And at 24, watching 630. So waiting for 630, 620, 630. There's 16, 15. Gotta get out of this. Where is that 10? No fill, getting out at 605. So gave back 360 on that. Unfortunate. It looked like it had the same pattern as BBBY. The rip to view up and then halt from selling off all day. So I took that. But I ended up pulling back more off VWAP. I figured maybe we'd get some momentum, some sympathy from BBBY people who missed it. Putting BWV down here, and we will look to switch to EEAR. Watching 3 here. In at 98. Got filled a penny higher than I wanted. Buyers at 93, nope. And at 89, let's see if we can hold 87, that big buyer. Out at 87, big buyer left. Alright, so we just gave back pretty much $5 on the day. Gonna put EAR over here, BBBY over here. One share, 27.50. Looks like it's resuming right at the halt level. 10 seconds to resumption. Watching this. Out half. Out the rest. Small 22-cent trade. And at 39. Break even trade there. And there at 27.30. Out at 54. Now watching 28. And at 80. Out at 90. There it goes. And at 41. Back out 77, so gave back 63 cents there. At 72. Holding this for 80, 28.50. There's 28.20. Gonna be watching this for the break of 28, 28.50. Out at 88, playing it safe. Ear looks like it's about to go. $95, $98. And at 95 on ear, 10 shares. Are we gonna see that volume step up here? Buyers and sellers here. Out at 90. I don't know, I think I'm slowly bleeding profits. Biggest seller at 95. And at 91 on BBBY. Out at 98. The buyers on E are kind of getting sold into. False break there of 3. Ear keeps on doing these false breaks. I don't want to watch it for that. This might be it for the morning. We gave back $5. Big good streak of green trades there. And we gave back $5 right here. So these two trades will be the focus when I review today. Watching BWV, 435, 439. Sellers of 34. Buyers at 30. And at 63 on BBBY. Watching this. Back over 2450. 2450, 2460. Put the order up to sell it and get filled. There we go. Made in 37 cents there. Watching 44. 46. And at 40, meant to be in at 37. $44 and 46 are the levels right now. There's 44, 45, 46, now watching 50. Add at 48, watching 50. There's 44 by 40. 45 by 43. This is the count to make the move. There's 48. $40 by 38. $43, 45. Getting some volume here. Big buyers at 41. With those big buyers a catalyst to push through 450. We'll see. There's 45, 46. Looks like it. 45, 48, 49. Watching 450. Big seller at 450. Out at 455. Nice trade there. $1 win. 10 cents on 10 shares. We will take those. There's 58, 60. Back down. Orders out at 41 for 5 shares. In there, 41. Reason I did that trade is because it's pulling back to the 9. Now it's pulling back to the 20 though. Add at 35, watch 38, 39. It's 36, 37, 40. Back down. It looks like it's hitting VWAP here. Do we hold VWAP? Nope. Gonna have to cut this. We're at 420. Out there at 419, I believe. 418. $2 loss. So we gave back that win plus a little bit more. I'm just gonna call it there, $11. BWV was the last one moving above VWAP for me, so now that that's below VWAP, I'm gonna go ahead and call it there, $11 on the day. Honestly, I don't feel like I made too many big mistakes today, so I feel like today was a pretty good day. That last trade on BWV, maybe I could have cut it sooner. I'll look into that. And then as well as these two trades right here, I'm gonna look into those as well on my trade recap. So that's it for the morning session. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, $11 today. Let's see if we can make another green day tomorrow. All right, see you all later.